And we're off. Where are we going, Michael? Myla?
GameStop.
No. Where are we going? Where the big fishies are?
Brass Club to meet the Easter Bunny.
How do you know that? Or why do you think that? The Easter Bunny's gonna be there. Where are you guys? What? I don't know. Daddy would know. Come on. We gotta get in line. What is she doing? A family? He was like a fit of family.
Take a picture for Ryan.
I know Ryan should have got this side of the four-wheeler. She can't get in, John.
No, don't buckle yourself in.
Matt, you have to open up the door, honey. Don't you? Mikey. He's buckling himself in.
Now it's a lot easier, see? Okay.
You're gonna miss your picture with the bunny.
Nope, can't drive it.
You like that, Myla? You go the trails on that, huh?
You don't want these? You want your four-wheelers to get this? Huh? Not yours? Oh, get your Myla's four-wheeler.
What? How is it? Take your hoodie off, Michael. Oh, you gotta pull these shorts off.
Michael,
come on.
One with your family and we're next in line.
Get down. Get down. You guys are next. Go on the footprint, Michael. Go up on the footprint.
Right in front of the bunny. Scoot over that way. A little bit more. Perfect. You turn it here. Smile. Alright. Girls up. Good job, guys.
You're done. You're done.
Come on. Wave to the Easter Bunny.
Wave to him.
That was so fun.
It was fun.
Now
Oh, right there. We'll see. You want to do your email?
Oh, yeah. Oh, it's so cute. You like it?
Make it down now.
there's a lot of big ones. This catfish used to be my favorite one. It was so big, but now there's a lot of big ones, so it's not my favorite.
Yeah.
And I couldn't find her.
The catfish.
I kept on looking around her.
We used to have those in the pond. Perch.
Look at that guy in the corner.
That one right there?
Oh, look at him.
Oh my God. You like that one there? Playing around pretty good. Huh? Okay, there's 3 sides to it. Michael, look here, Michael. Look here.
He's got a pose.
I know, what the heck are you doing?
Michael, you're gonna climb the tree. Where's Myla? Michael.
The duck coming! Mama, the ducks are coming! Mama, oh, doo doo. Oh, doo doo.
He swam by my camera.
Oh, look at that guy.
What are you getting, Michael? Michael, what are you getting? You're getting a fishing pole? I wonder how much those are. Oh. Myla, what are you getting? No. Do you see how much that is? Actually, that'd probably go nice at Papa's house. Right there, see, 44. See it in the middle? What's it do? Oh, it's water? I used to love those. What?
Math.
Bass Pro Math. Which one do you like, Myla?
I showed her this one again.
Oh, that's pretty. I like the blue. But look at that one matches her four-wheeler, the camo.
That's what she got.
No, she got black and orange. See it?
Where's the black and orange?
There's only one left, must be. Daddy's holding it. They got the LOL doll. Thomas. Yeah. Who are you talking to, Mai?
Mom, look at an orange fish. And I got a melon fish.
These are 20 bucks these things?
Yeah.
Here's the orange fish and I want a melon fish. I gotta go like this and like this one.
You hold the button on that one to cast.
Oh, yeah.
So you hold the button and then you cast and let the button go.
And then you yell at them like this.
It's tangle free.
That's mine.
Yeah, or Michael's.
Mama, this back Mama.
Yeah.
I didn't do it, Mommy. I didn't do it. No, they knew. No, they knew.
My law. So nice.
Tap the screen, they all come running at you. When they tap the screen, they come at you.
Oh, I want a whole one.
Mama, he's stuck.
Oh.
Mama, is he stuck?
No. It's nice and warm in there, so he's probably liking it.
They're looking at my finger. Mom, I want to pet them.
I know.
Pull the finger up at the screen.
And they come.
They poke it. They poke it. I really want to pet. No. Yowie. Yowie. Hi, Yowie. Yowie. Yowie.
Where's Michael at? Oh,
I think I put it in the little hole.
you did?
Near the feeding thing, and I kept my finger. I put my finger like down here, and I
Buy 6, get 6 free, Michael.
Mikey.
Michael, if you buy 6, you get 6 free. Did you hear me?
Did you do that?
Look at this, Daddy. We got to get a cage, honey. We have to bring a cage with us. You can't just buy them and bring them home like that.
Myla, put your finger right here. Wait. No, but Mickey. Myla, come here, Myla. Come here. Put your finger right here at this one. They are trying to catch it.
Well, this one's like open. Look, Michael. This is like open. Look.
Oh, yeah, put your finger.
He might peck ya. He might peck ya.
You can peck me. Peck me.
Is it pecking? Is it pecking?
No.
No.
I just shot bacon. Oh, you could. I shot bacon. Look at the body. I'm going to the other side. Myla, did you do the same Myla that I told you? I have some shoes.
Where'd she go? Nice. Don't run around.
I didn't see it.
Mommy.
Look.
Myla, you put your fingers in, remember? They peck. Are they pecking us? They're not pecking me, they're pecking. They pecking other stuff. They're not pecking Myla.
It won't
Look, they
come.
peck mine up. So you have to tap it. Tap it for me, then it'll come. Okay, I'll stop. Go finger on.
Mike, I think there's food. Mike, I think there's food over there.
Where?
In that one. Can you grab some food? Look. Look, Michael. Try to put it through here now. Oh, did he peck you?
Did
Did he get you?
Myla, they packed me. Oh, put it against the wall. Put one of it. Okay, I'll come out here.
Did it hurt when he pecked you or no? It went right through the hole, Michael. Right through the floor. Oh, the air is cold coming in.